So we've been working on these for a few weeks, getting all of the design laid out for the guarding around the Watson's Mill main gears. And none of this will be sanded. Every surface is knife cut, either machine with a knife. There's no sanding on this. Dan's still going to come and put a little stop chamfer detail here. And these are the pieces that we did the Gothic detail. And we've got maybe, I think, for maybe 12 feet of grilling. So it's all been mortised. We have all of our stiles. Some of them are almost 8 feet tall. Once again, no sanding. And rock maple, the very material that is the gear teeth are made out of. And now what we're going to do here is we're going to make a little notched piece. And we sort of started cutting some little notches that will index, you know, these little pieces here, you see. And those will go across in sort of certain patterns. Now, what we're going to do is we use the center line, so we're just going to tape our two pieces together. We're going to mark where our spot's off, and then I made just a little jig here. So you can see that, you know, this is a little rolly. That's the front side. They're both the same height. So this will sort of just hold them snug so they won't roll. And then that is the trench. So we can just roll that right till it hits the mark of where we got to go. So we only have to be the accuracy of that. And then we'll use this in here. I put a little relief cut so that actually, see, can squeeze. And now that can't move, right? Now, show you how crisp that is. That is absolutely pimple free. So then we come over here. We can now pull these apart after we've cut them all. And these railing sections now, there'll be a small little gap between them. And we will fasten them with a machine screw, and they become the horizontal sections that divide up the grill. No glue, absolutely no glue, and no sandpaper. So let me show you how we cut these crisp joints on the machine. So we're not running, we're running them in here as we showed, but this is a Watson trenching head. And you can see it's just dangerously beautiful. It's square head tooling that runs what Wadkin called super steel, which is, this is a soft mild steel and a hardened thing. You can sharpen this crazy, and the little knickers and stuff like that. That's what's plowing out you know, this whole thing, right? It's a beautiful piece of engineering. Anyway, that's what we will be cutting all of those with, and of course, no glue.